Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Renty Kitchen, and today I am going to cook plantain dumpling with yellow yam, and this is Sylvan's yam. Nice. And also added to it is my 4 pepper, my hot scotch bonnet pepper, my tomato, my onion, and a piece of my scallion. Okay, and also gonna add a little dash to my saltfish and a little black pepper. Okay, first I must start off. My saltfish is cooking for 20 minutes, as you already see. So what I'm going to do now, starting my plantain, I'm going to peel my plantain. Come with me. Okay. I remember this little poem at school. I don't know if you remember it, but when I used to go to school in Jamaica, it was so nice. It said, "Banana Day is my special day. I cut my stamp and I had my way. I load up my donkey and I leave the land. Head down the hill to banana style. When the truck come around, I take a ride all the way down the harbor side. That is the night when the tourist man would change your place with a banana man." Also another verse said, "For Nakatan, some coconut tree, some hills of yam, I pass and that same very land, 5 she-goat and a big black ram." I'm not really ready this morning, I'm just cooking. But sometimes when you're cooking and singing and talking, the food nicer. Okay. Okay. Also in my cup, he said, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart." And it's coming from Proverbs 3 and verse 5. Look at my cup. Okay, so when you're doing anything and you trust in the Lord, it works out perfect. Beautiful. Look at my plate. Beautiful. Okay, I'm heading to my pot now. I'm peeling my yam. Is it so beautiful? This is a piece of white yam I get from my brother in Orlando. Okay guys, you can see my food is cooking. To know that your food is cooking, the dumplings swim at the top. This is a tomato. This is my onion. I cut a half of onion. And also my peppers. This is my hot pepper. And also added my red pepper, yellow pepper, and my scallion. Okay, have this simmer down for a while. Okay, gonna add my saltfish. I'm also gonna add my black pepper, my dash, and my garlic powder. Smells good. if you're cooking and you don't have enough gravy on your saltfish, you can, let's see what you can do. Take a little gravy from your pot, water, and add it into your saltfish. When nice so. Okay.